All right, Carolina makes wind chimes. Um, the function v of x equals 48 minus 2x relates the price v to the number produced, which is x. The cost of making x is that function c of x. So how many wind chimes should Carolina sell each week to maximize her profit? So right now you have a function for price and you have a function for cost. First thing you're going to need to do is figure out revenue. Revenue is the amount of money that she'll bring in. Revenue is going to be found by taking price and multiplying it by the number that you sell. So price is 48 minus 2x. You're going to multiply that by x to get the revenue function. Profit is going to be the revenue minus the cost. So you end up with 48 minus 2x times x is the revenue, subtracting the cost, which is 12x plus 64. Now you're going to simplify that function. So 48 minus 2x times x, you're actually going to distribute the x in. You're going to distribute the negative to the cost function. Now you're going to combine like terms and put it in order. You get negative 2x squared plus 36 minus 64. So that is the profit function. When you graph that, it looks like that. So Carolina's profit is modeled by the quadratic function in that graph. The domain of the function is a set of whole numbers. It's a set of whole numbers because you can't have a negative amount of wind chimes sold. You also can't have half of a wind chime sold. So it's going to be all the integers plus 0. Well, positive integers and 0. Her maximum profit corresponds to the vertex of the graph. All right, so 998. So Carolina's best plan is to produce and sell 9 wind chimes per week for a weekly profit of $98. All right, so similar question. I think the only thing that's different is, well, I guess the price function and then the cost function, but same concept. So pause it, give it a try, and then come back and check the answer. All right, so you have the function there. Apparently I didn't pause. I thought I did. You have the function there. You end up with 11 as the amount to make, and then 200 as the profit that you're going to make when you make 11. You could also graph and find the vertex that way. I chose to find the vertex algebraically. All right, let's go on to the next question. Last example, number 5.